let's understand the deployment modes in Spark. So as we were talking about that each and every process, it is a program which can run on any VM or any node. And depending on different scenarios, there are different deployment modes of Spark. So the easiest one or the lowest level of deployment mode, it is the local mode where there is a single machine and within that machine all the process runs like client, the driver, all the executor, everything. And here everything is in a single machine, so the standalone resource manager will be used. Think of it like running all the things in Spark in our own laptop. So that's how the local mode works. This is used only for some basic development and testing, not in the real world where we process big data. The next mode, it is the client mode. And how it works is, let's say the client or the main application wherever we are writing or submitting the code, that is where the driver also runs. And once the driver has done all the planning, he goes to the resource manager, which is running on a separate entity. And that resource manager will assign the executors who are running on different VMs. So if our client and driver are on the same machine and executors are on a different machines or VMs or nodes, then that is called as client mode. This is also not much frequently used mode, but it is one of the mode. So the most widely used mode in production, that is the cluster mode. And in cluster mode, everything is distributed. So let's say we have client node where we have written our code and we want to do the job. Then it doesn't have a driver also. What it will do is it will go to resource manager and ask for resources. And resource manager, it has access to one or more clusters. So cluster, it is a group of nodes. That is what we call as cluster. So resource manager has access to a cluster which has multiple nodes and where multiple processes can run. So the resource manager will give access to the driver to the client, and then the client will submit the code which will run on the driver in the cluster, and then the driver will distribute the job to the executors by coordinating with the resource manager, and the job will get done. So these are the different modes available. So just to summarize, if everything runs on a single machine, it is local. If client and driver are running on same machine and executors run on a separate cluster, that is client mode. And if client runs on a machine and everything else runs on a cluster, including driver and executor, that is called as cluster mode. And this is the mode used in production and all the big services wherever we perform huge amount of data.